Yeah, those are freaking cute.
They're all identical.
I'm not a big fireworks guy to begin with, but this is pretty freaking impressive.
Look at all that smoke. That's show up on the satellite. Look at all them things chasing like at the bottom low. He got going again. Oh, yeah. He found his lighter. This one over here stopped for a while, but then he started back up.
That was the shot that just
Well, I believe they keep them in sequence like they are. All of them matches.
Gotta be computerized or something.
You're in a sloppy spilling everything tonight, buddy.
Same thing.
You gotta think so. So one of these are as big as any cities. 6 of them.
Boy, it would be cool to be down there on the water, be able to see all 6 at the same time.
I'll take this. I'll take this, man. You got a breeze up here.
You'd probably be so close, so you couldn't.
Yeah, exactly.
What does it actually do internship at Victoria's Secret?
I'm sorry?
What does it actually do like Macy?
I'm in like merchandising in like the bras and panties. So just kind of like decide like kind of how much. I mean, I'm just answering, so I work
Yeah, this is big though.
decide, you know, like how much they should buy for different things. And, like, what the trends are gonna
Get
be.
now 50%.
What about bras and panties?
No, I don't. Well, my sister gets like a full-time employee. My sister actually works there. So she gets like 50% off. So I just like her.
Smiley face.
Cool. Never saw that before. Yeah, tripod putting the damn thing on.
Jake, your sister lives here?
Yes.
How long has she been here?
About 3 or 4 years now.
Oh yeah?
You call me, Dave?
Huh?
You called me?
I did with you before you got back. Crazy they can do that, ain't it?
Yeah, I know. Like, how do they even do that?
Can't find Obama, but we make a smiley face.
That's awesome. Been cool to call mom and dad. They probably do have this on TV. This will be good.
Balcony on this building,
Yeah.
probably getting smoked out.
Fireworks are so expensive.
You see all the people on different balconies around.
Throwing them up in
The balcony
there.
with the 3 tents and then the balcony right up top there.
How long is it? 3 months?
Yeah, just till the end of summer. Like,
What the hell would that helicopter fly by to that
Are
crap?
you enjoying it?
yes, I love it here. It's great. You like visiting? A lot different than Germany.
Yeah, I do live in London actually.
Oh, in London?
Look at that on the board.
Oh, okay.
But no, I love it.
What's that?
Keep it going.
Waterfall, but see on the board?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like a wedding of a friend of mine was the excuse to come over.
Ah, yeah.
And,
That's always good. Have an excuse.
So yeah, 2 more weeks in New York. So looking forward to that.
Yeah. You like living in London?
Yes. I mean, it's like probably one of those cool cities. You can sort of match.
Oh, really? Yeah.
A little bit before the race is pretty cool.
Yeah. I'm sure. Oh my gosh, I'd love to go to Berlin.
This guy was slacking on
I don't
the
even have a passport.
A little
I've
bit
never
behind
been
it.
anywhere.
So you're right, it must be a manual thing.
Yep. I'd love to go. I'm trying to travel as soon as I get some money to do so.
So now some advice for like just tourists here. So where are the best